everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pixie Haircut. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Dear friends, today my video topic is about most stylish and gorgeous pixie bob with bangs. We know that you have been waiting for bangs. Now it's all about adding a fringe to your hair and making your face look more framed. A pixie cut with bangs is something we all can't take our eyes off. They look good with any haircut, any hair length, and any hair structure. It seems like they were created by a magician. Properly chosen, bangs can highlight your cheekbones, thus drawing attention from your round face and emphasizing your eyes. And the most important thing, bangs are so stylish. When it comes to bangs, women usually opt for straight variations. We advise you to choose something different, and a pixie cut with side swept bangs is a nice example. Bangs never get old, and it's never too late to give them a try. So, my dear friends, please let us know that topics you would like to see next in the comments below. Pixie Bob Haircut is the channel about the ultimate destination for hairstyle inspiration, empowering women one hairstyle at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you are looking for the latest hairstyle trends, then this is the place to be. From short hairstyles to messy ones and everything in between, we have got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect tool for your next big events. Like and share our videos, and if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thanks for watching our videos, for subscribing, and for your comments.